You hear the sound of bird and squirrel. If the target is visible, prepare the kind of materials they call sumpit or subukan. So, Ma'am Sir, look at the drawing board on the side. Tabi niyo. And that's how we buhay na bato. And also a native cotton or luglug and a piece of metal. Tabi niyo. That process what they call santikan or friction.